Pause. Oh man, it's a beautiful touchdown right here in the city of gold, Johannesburg. To be quite precise, I'm talking about Marks Park. And guess what? The biggest, most exciting plumbing industry event is about to happen. I'm talking about the Plumbing Industry Indaba 2026, happening on the 22nd and the 23rd of July, right here in the heart of Johannesburg. And guess what? So many things are going to happen on that day. I'm talking about the plumbing exhibition, which will include IOPSA workshops and live product demos. But that's not all. We've also got the Plumbing Olympics, man. I hope the professionals are fit and I hope they're ready, because they're gonna be going head to head and showcasing their skills and how professional they are while being assessed by professional judges. The Plumbing Indaba 2026 is open to the entire public, so tell your friends, your family members, anyone who wants to come. Remember the date, 22nd, 23rd of July, right here in the heart of Johannesburg. I'm talking about Plumbing Indaba 2026. Pause. Hashtag Marks Park, hashtag Plumbing Indaba 2026, hashtag #PIRB. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Yes, man.